Well, if you didn't go to the gas station today, it was a beautiful day out there, and Darren is here with the latest.
Even at the gas station, it's probably really nice too. We warmed up into the low mid 80s today, and we basically stayed put from yesterday to today. And the real focus of the forecast is tomorrow's jump in temperatures. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the virtual set to show you how much hotter Monday is going to be for your part of the bay. So let's get that wide view on the bay so we can see all the different microclimates on here. I'm going to switch out today's daytime highs. We'll say goodbye to that. I'm now going to change the color contour from today into tomorrow. And you're going to see a lot more red show up. A couple of places where you really see it the most was in the Santa Clara Valley and in the Tri-Valley. And if we just do a little bit of math, how much warmer are we going to be tomorrow in these microclimates? Check out from Santa Cruz to San Jose to Livermore. If we can bring that camera down low so we can look across all three of those, you really see this is not going to be an equal opportunity warm up. You're going to be about 6 degrees warmer in Santa Cruz tomorrow. But in San Jose, you're going to jump like 15 degrees. And in Livermore, you're going to do just about 13 degrees. These are the places that are going to feel this the most. Concord, you're going to be noticeably warmer too. You're going to go up about 11 degrees. The city's going up almost 10. But it's really the inland valleys that are going to feel it the most. Let's widen that back out. I'll show you where we're going to be for the actual highs. We'll just use some of the main locators here first, and then I'm going to get everybody else on here. But if I showed you how much you're going to warm up, this is where you're going to be. So when you go up that 15 degrees in San Jose, you're going to be in the upper 80s tomorrow. Livermore, you're going up to 94. It'll be 93 in Concord. I'm now going to switch this out so we can just get everybody's number on there. Go ahead and pick out your part of the bay. Whether we're talking about Monterey, Santa Cruz, or Salinas down in the south, or whether we're talking about San Jose and Livermore and Concord, and you can see the number for Santa Rosa is going to be up in the low 80s too. San Francisco will go to 68 for the daytime high. All right, this is the peak. We are going to start to cool down a bit after that, and then we actually do talk about a small chance of rain coming our way once we get into Wednesday. So if we draw our attention out into the Pacific, you're going to see this beautiful storm that's gotten itself set up out there. This comma-shaped little counterclockwise spin has developed out in the Pacific, out there, and that's got some rain in it. And if we put the rain into it and let that play forward on the futurecast, some of it does want to come here towards us. It just doesn't really hold together well enough to put a very confident chance of rain in the forecast. So in the 7-day, we'll increase the clouds a bit. If we get any rain out of that on Wednesday, timing would likely be early morning, maybe even pre-dawn, and it'd be focused more on the North Bay. But it certainly cools us down. So inland valleys are going from low and mid 90s tomorrow to mid 80s Tuesday, and then down into the mid 70s on Wednesday. That'll be short-lived. We'll rebound from there, and we'll spend most of the rest of the 7-day forecast from there in the low to mid 80s. And when we look at the 7-day forecast for the Bay, small chance of rain early Wednesday morning, and then a slight warm-up from there towards the end of the week. All right, Vern, over to you.